Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels and I'm going to try on a few beautiful items that I really like, and I'll take you guys with me. I hope that you will like this video. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I actually filmed this video some time ago when I went to pick up my earrings, but I didn't have a chance to edit it. But I'm so excited to show you all the gorgeous items that I absolutely love and I'm considering getting next. I actually can't decide. I discovered malachite for myself. I never thought that I would actually like this stone on me, but the earrings are so beautiful. I started with the magic size, and this size is actually the first that I added to my collection. I bought the white mother of pearl 2 years ago and I absolutely love them. I wear them so often and they're so comfortable and gorgeous, but I'm not sure about this color personally. I like the size, it's definitely my favorite size, but the color seems to be a bit too dark. If you're planning to add this, I would recommend to go to the store and try them on in person, because it's better to make sure that the color actually suits you. I'm very surprised that the darker shade doesn't work on me. Actually, when I was looking at 3 of them, I thought that the darker shade is the prettiest and I like them the most. After trying them on, I don't think that they are for me, but that said, they are very beautiful in person. They just don't suit me. I definitely need a lighter shade. And here is another pair that I think I like the most. This shade of green is lighter and it pops more, and they're so pretty. I really like them. They feel quite comfortable. They could definitely elevate any outfit. They are so special, and this is how they look together with the first pair. Can you see how much darker the first pair is? And that's why I have to stick with the lighter shade. I think it suits me more. The lighter pair is definitely easier to style and to match with different clothes. But that said, I would probably have to add more clothes with green to my wardrobe. I don't really have that much. And here is another pair that is absolutely stunning. I feel like this pair is more for a special occasion, while the previous pair could be worn on a daily basis. And I could wear it with jeans and a t-shirt. I wear my other pair of earrings that I have recently purchased literally with everything. They look so great and I like how they can elevate any outfit. This pair is stunning. I definitely like it a lot, and it's nice to have a contrast in between. I think it will be easy to style this with colorful outfits. However, I do feel that this piece is a bit more special compared to the previous pair that is more casual. It means I would probably wear the other pair more often. It might be a bit harder for me to style this pair because I don't even go anywhere these days. I'm not sure it would be easy to pull it off with a t-shirt and casual jeans. I think it would be too much. I don't know, what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. And please also let me know which pair of these earrings suits me more. I'm going to take some time to think about these earrings, just like how I usually think through all my purchases. I'm going to see if I will be adding any more clothes in green to my wardrobe, or at least multicolored clothes, so I could style them with these earrings. I think I will only add one more jewelry item this year besides the earrings that I have recently purchased. It's only been a month, but the temptation is so strong. I just want to add more items, but I have to resist. So it's either gonna be another pair of earrings. I so hope I won't break this rule. But yeah, if I will get the earrings, it will probably be the 3 motif earrings, or it's going to be a necklace, either 10 motif necklace that I'm considering getting, or the 20 motif. And if it's going to be 20 motif, it's most likely going to be onyx and this necklace that I'm trying on. And yes, this is a 20 motif. I just tried it on as 10 motif. I feel like it's very versatile. I like it a lot, and later I will compare it with the white mother of pearl. I will stack them together so you can see them side by side. I actually like that look as well. Eventually I would like to collect them all in all possible colors, but I want to think through every single purchase because I'm not making any more luxury mistakes. I am done here. I am done hoarding things. I want to make sure that every single item that I add to my wardrobe will be used as much as possible and as long as possible, and is going to be classic and timeless, just like this necklace. It's stunning. Anyways, I will make up my mind eventually. Maybe by the end of the year I will make a decision, or it depends if I will be able to get some items from Dior with green color. If I will get them, then I will get the earrings first. It's so hard to stay grounded, but I don't see any other choice. Back in the day, I would just buy everything on the spot, but I think 2020 changed me and made me slow down a little bit. Anyways, here are 2 necklaces together. Look how gorgeous they look together. I actually like it. I know it's a lot going on here, especially with the earrings, but I still like it a lot. Black onyx and white mother of pearl look so great together. I know that ultimately I would like to add both of these necklaces. I know that I'll be using them a lot. I feel I prefer onyx a bit more because I can style it with more items, but the white mother of pearl is so special as well. It's really gorgeous, and I think I will be able to wear them even when I'm 70. They are so elegant and feminine and can be styled in different ways, but I just have to make up my mind. I actually like this look a lot. For example, if I were to get a 10 motif necklace or even an onyx bracelet and just connect it with my other bracelet that I already have from Alhambra, I could technically still wear it together with the white mother of pearl necklace. If I were to buy it, it would look amazing with black onyx as well. And here I tried on 2 20 motif necklaces. One is wrapped 2 times around my neck, and another one just the way it's usually supposed to be worn. I like that look a lot. It's stunning, guys. I don't know, I just can't make up my mind. I mean, I like them all. I do like the look of 2 20 motif necklaces. I feel like they are more versatile, and there are so many ways of how they can be styled. One necklace can be worn as 10 motif, as 20 motifs. It can be double wrapped around your neck. You can also wear it as a belt. I really feel like 20 motif is the best choice, but again, it's pretty pricey, so there's a lot to consider. Alhambra is just so stunning and so special, and no other brand has such amazing design. I don't like anything else from any other brand as much as I love from Van Cleef and Arpels. But before I go, I wanted to show you the white mother of pearl wrapped 2 times around my neck on a black top. I was always wondering how it would look like because it looks great on the white, but I wasn't sure about the black. I think it's nice. I still prefer the black onyx. I think it's a bit more edgy, but the white mother of pearl looks quite nice as well. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!